always looking for a way to prep all my food easier, better, healthier, all that fun stuff. Without further ado, let's get to it. Now, as you can see, look at these big old chicken breasts. All right, so now that we've got all of our chicken breasts cut in half, we're gonna put this aside for now. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Got some salt, a little pinch of salt going here. A good bit of salt. There we go. Then we got some onion powder, simply about a tablespoon of onion powder. And garlic powder, same thing, I do about a tablespoon. Lemon pepper, and I'll put quite a bit in here. We're gonna get some fresh lemon and squeeze that in there. I like a lot of lemon, I like a lot of good lemon flavor. So there's a whole lemon, and then mix this little marinade up. I am probably gonna add just a little bit of black pepper actually. There we go. Putting all this in here in one bag. So again, I'll pour most of it, not all of it in here. I'm gonna try to savor a little bit. There we go, I'll just save just a little bit, not much. And you can actually massage the marinade in there a lot better. Now typically I'll put this in the refrigerator and minimum, 45 minutes to an hour. Chicken down, sizzling like, man. Got that nice sizzle when you put it on the grill. I love that sound. Some people add a little bit of oil down before they put the chicken down, but because I'm always oiling the griddle every time when I'm done, so usually you do a few minutes on one side, a few minutes the other side, then I may turn the temperature down just a little bit, and then at that point, I'm not really flipping it much anymore, and I'll keep checking with my gauge, internal temperature, looking for that 165 degrees.